What's up guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best portable washing machines that you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Introducing the Morus Zero Dryer, a revolutionary solution that brings unprecedented efficiency and convenience to apartment living. This portable dryer is designed to address the challenges of limited space and time constraints, offering a remarkable 15-minute drying cycle for those urgent moments. Specially tailored for apartment dwellers, it streamlines laundry days, saving both time and precious space. With its plug-and-play design, the Morus Zero Dryer eliminates the need for complex installations. Its lightweight and sleek aesthetic make it a seamless addition to any space, enhancing the environment with contemporary appeal. The dryer's advanced technology goes beyond traditional dryers, offering worry-free operation through its smart mode. This feature intuitively determines the optimal drying duration based on clothing conditions, simplifying the laundry process. Not just limited to clothes, the Morus Zero Dryer transforms into a luxury towel warmer and bathroom accessory, demonstrating its multifunctional prowess. The appliance's high airflow speed, reaching up to 43.5 miles per hour, facilitates the refreshing mode, effectively removing odors and rejuvenating garments without washing. Choose from 8 versatile modes including Smart, Quick, Refresh, Sanitize, Shoe, Shirt, Silk, and Warm, catering to diverse fabric types and drying needs. The inclusion of a child lock ensures safety and peace of mind. Embrace the future of laundry with Morus Zero Dryer, where innovation, style, and practicality converge to redefine convenience. Discover the Daewoo wall-mounted washing machine, a breakthrough in space-saving innovation. Designed to harmonize seamlessly with any environment, it stands as the world's pioneer in wall-mounted mini washers, redefining convenience in your daily life. Its stylish, cube-shaped form exudes elegance and smoothness, effortlessly complementing your living space. Bid farewell to laundry accumulation as the mini washer empowers you to tackle small loads promptly. Capable of washing a diverse range of clothing, it mimics the meticulousness of hand washing. Its 15-minute quick wash cycle adds practicality to your bustling routine, making it a true time saver. Beyond its general utility, the mini washer dedicates itself to caring for your baby's garments. With a high-temperature hot water setting of 95 degrees Celsius, it ensures the utmost cleanliness by eradicating detergent residues and dirt, while also sterilizing fabrics to protect your baby's sensitive skin. Maintaining the machine's cleanliness is a breeze, thanks to the Drum Clean feature that operates consistently. Embrace the marriage of utility and aesthetics with its chic design and user-friendly features. Elevate your lifestyle with the Daewoo wall-mounted washing machine, an embodiment of modern convenience and sophistication. Introducing the Costway full automatic washing machine, a versatile laundry solution that redefines convenience. With a 7.7 pounds capacity and 8 programmable options, this 2-in-1 portable washer and spinner is tailored for modern living, whether in an apartment or an RV. Featuring a remarkable 4-level temperature heating function, it empowers you with temperature choices of 86 degrees Fahrenheit, 104 degrees Fahrenheit, 140 degrees Fahrenheit, and 194 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring effective stain removal and pristine clothes. Safety takes center stage with protective features. A cover lock prevents accidental lid openings, particularly important for families with children. The child lock feature guarantees settings remain undisturbed even if buttons are pressed mistakenly. The multifunctional design offers flexibility with 3 water levels, conserving water based on load size, alongside 8 versatile programs accessible through the intuitive smart control panel. Moreover, a 24-hour time delay function allows you to set laundry cycles according to your schedule, freeing you to focus on other tasks while the machine efficiently handles the washing. Crafted in a compact size, the Costway full automatic washing machine fits seamlessly into narrow spaces, making it an optimal choice for apartments, dorms, RVs, and more. With its 7.7 pounds capacity, you can wash more in fewer cycles. Embrace modern laundry convenience with the Costway full automatic washing machine, where innovative features converge to simplify your cleaning routine. The Yirego Drumi portable washer, an innovative solution revolutionizing laundry care. This non-electric marvel offers a quick 10-minute wash and spins dry cycle, making laundry day a breeze. It's a game-changer for those seeking efficiency and practicality, ideal for apartments, travel, and small spaces. With a gentle touch, the Drumi can replace hand washing for delicate items like undergarments and wool sweaters, ensuring a thorough yet delicate clean. Its non-electric nature sets it apart, requiring no electricity or installation. It's the perfect companion for camping trips or emergencies when power is scarce. Designed for compact living, the Drumi seamlessly fits into tight spaces, catering to small apartments, tiny homes, and even road trips. It maintains hygiene by allowing you to privately clean your laundry, helping you stay on top of your laundry pile. Ease of use and maintenance are at the forefront of Drumi's design. Its modular structure ensures straightforward operation and upkeep. Crafted with premium materials like 304 stainless steel, aluminum, and ASA-engineered plastic, the Drumi promises durability and top-notch performance. Embrace the Yirego Drumi portable washer to experience a new level of laundry convenience, where speed, efficiency, hygiene, and high quality converge to redefine the way you approach laundry care. Introducing the Water Spirit 3-in-1 portable washer and dryer, a revolutionary solution for your laundry needs. Born from a collective understanding of diverse lifestyles, whether you're angling or tending to household chores, maintaining cleanliness is paramount. In moments when life's demands take precedence, like showcasing your latest catch or revitalizing your garments, the Water Spirit emerges as your quick, convenient, and portable companion. Simply load your clothes and water, press a button, and let the Water Spirit work its magic. With a capacity of 2 liters, it offers versatile wash durations of 10, 15, or 20 minutes, ensuring tailored cleaning results. After washing, effortlessly drain water through a valve or automated process. The Water Spirit doesn't stop at washing, it's a versatile 3-in-1 machine. It can also spin dry items for 10 or 15 minutes or provide drying cycles of 120, 180, or 300 minutes. Designed for simplicity and portability, this machine addresses your laundry concerns at home or on the go. With multiple washing modes and efficient drying capabilities, the Water Spirit streamlines linen cleaning. It's a space-efficient and easily accessible solution that reflects our commitment to your well-being and cleanliness. Don't miss the chance to own this transformative washing machine that aligns with your dynamic lifestyle.